Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal share with you. This one is called Vintage Days and it's a journal kit from ARTYmaze. I'd used some of the elements in the journal that I put up yesterday, and I thought, right, I need to do like a whole journal using that kit. So that's exactly what I did. So it's Traveller's Notebook size. Oh, excuse me, I need to take a drink. I've had the heating on in here all day, drying coffee paper, so it's really kind of dried me out. There we go. Little bit of water. Okay, sorry about that. So it measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. It has one signature, 68 pages front and back. It will be listed in my shop. And let's get cracking. So we have a craft card cover, and again with 3 layers of cardstock, one of them being coffee dyed. Here I've used one of the pages from the kit and to do my topper, and I've used part of it for the background, part of it for the tag, and it's just one sheet. This like cabinet card type thing is actually from the kit, and these are maybe that's not freebie. I think that is a freebie and that's a freebie, because I know Andrea's got other ones with different colours, but I think that one's a freebie from ARTYmaze. We've got stitching all around the edges. We have eyelets, string as a closure. This goes well with the craft cardstock. So quick flip through, and I'll do the proper flip through so you can see there's nice markings on here. It kind of looks like bubbly, like little kind of bubbles have popped on there. Yeah, it's amazing how like your coffee dyeing is just so different every time you do it. So this is one of the pages from the kit, and obviously this is a full journal size kit, and I've just kind of printed it off at the full size and then just trimmed bits off to make my Traveller's Notebook size, which I do keep all them because I use them for clusters and other things as well. So here I've used one of the background papers from the kit, and then I've just put one of the tickets on there. Inside there we have a tag from the kit. Oh, excuse me, tag from the kit. That's another tag from the kit as well, and then this is one of the cabinet cards. Now Andrea done a video, I think it was the other day, Sunday maybe, could have been Sunday, I don't know, I can't remember now, and she'd been painting over her 12 by 12s. So I done a little bit of that this morning, using the 12 by 12s that I don't particularly like. Mine's were the ones that I were using were double-sided, so I painted over them, then I sprayed them. There is a bit of shimmer to this. I sprayed them with my little made up spray, so it started off white, and then it ended up this kind of grey blue sparkly colour, and I'm not sure whether the camera is actually going to pick up any of that sparkle, but there is some sparkle in there, shimmer I should say. And then I popped one of the cabinet cards on there and a tab. We've got a doily and a paper bag. This is from the old design shop, and so is this. Then here I used again one of the pages I made into this pocket, and then the pockets actually from the kit. I didn't actually fold them on the little lines, I've just left them open just for a little bit of like more room to tuck things in. Then inside here, this is actually double at the back, so it's open right at the back. It's got the pockets here, and that's the tag, and she goes in there. So you've got, that's 2 pockets up the top and the one here, so it's 3 pockets. And again, using one of the cabinet cards from the kit, and I used that 12 by 12 that I done. That was a lot of fun, and I actually I put an apron on to do it, like my kitchen apron, because I ruined the other week my brand new legging type things, and the sporty type ones, and they weren't cheap. But I've kind of ruined them with paint, so I'm protecting myself now. This is just some coffee dyed paper slipped inside one of the envelopes from the kit. This has been coffee dyed on the back and gessoed as well. It just kind of thickens it up and gives it it just gives some added strength to it as well. So that goes on there, and some nice markings of that coffee dyed paper, because I've been drying it on my radiators. That's why I'm all like couldn't talk at the beginning. Some nice shimmer on there as well, lovely markings from there. There is always lots of journal room in my journals that I make. triple pocket actually, with lots of bits inside. I'll just move them all to the side at the moment. This was some more of the tags. You can actually see some of the background of the actual cardstock on this one, because it was like a really dark blue with I didn't like the floral design on it, but it come through quite nice on there. So, and they feel really nice as well. So that goes in there. Then I used some of Tracy Fox's layered tags, the Field Notes one. So I've put that in there. I like them because they've got all the little bulldog clips on there already. Then we have, and this was just one of the background pages that I used to do the pockets. I cut them to size, cut 3 pieces, back them onto to your coffee dyed paper, stitched the tops of them all. I think I might have showed you how to do this, I can't remember, but I stitch along the tops, then I glue them in place, and then I stitch all the way around like that, just in case you wondered. Tag from the kit, that goes in there. Oh no, it doesn't, it goes in there, peeks in there. This is a little double journal card from the kit, which has been coffee dyed, and that goes in there. 2 little tickets from the kit. I like them little tickets. You can do a little sneaky journaling on them. Then here, this was a piece left over from when I cut the pages down a little bit, so I just popped that on there, put a butterfly, this is a freebie from ARTYmaze, and some bling on there. Some more coffee dyed papers, love them. Don't need to stencil over them because they come out really nice. Another page from the kit. Excuse me. Again, this is one of the background papers in the background there. Some original vintage music paper, some scrappy pieces, the little full stamp from the kit. This is actually a freebie from ARTYmaze. I think it's from a spring words and sentiments. And I just used the word determined there. Another tag from Tracy Fox. And that's another one of them tags that I made with the 12 by 12 paper and just stenciled on them, but there is a lovely shimmer to that. And then here another tag from the kit. Whoopsie, doesn't want to go in. Doily paper bag, that's from the old design shop, so is this. And on there we have another envelope. It's just got the same doubled over coffee dyed paper. And you can obviously tuck in some other stuff in them. And that's pretty. Lovely images. Centre of the signature, we just have 2 corner tucks, 2 of the little tickets from the kit. Inside there is the double, well, it looks double layered because it is, well, it is, but it's printable like that. That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. I didn't double layer it up. It's already like that when you print it. Oh God, I got into a right faffle then. That's from the kit. That's called Vintage Days. Another one of Tracy's tags. That's double layered for you. That's the right way to put it. Double layered for you. A little double journal card, and some more of that lovely coffee dyed paper. Another one of the pages that I just made into a pocket, and this was from one side of one of the pages, and that's opened at the back, so I just made a tag with that, and then it's opened there, so it's like the other one. So it's got 2 tucks at the top. Don't want to go in because my finger was stopping it from going in. And then this is one of the pockets from the kit, and again I didn't fold it on the sides, and I chopped off the bottom bit just to give it a little bit more room, because I did actually print them a little bit smaller than what they actually were or are. Another one of these like cabinet cards on that 12 by 12 painted paper. Another little cabinet card there. You can get them images with the kit. Little flip there, you could glue that down, make a pocket. Paper bag, doily, another pocket here, and I just used some vintage music paper, some scrappy pieces, and the little full stamp, and it says courageous. Inside there we have another Tracy Fox field notes layer tag. Another one of these from that 12 by 12 piece of paper. That was fun. I'm going to do loads of them one day. Just might take them in the house and do them because I've got bigger table to work on, and just like do loads of them and then spray them all and just have fun. That definitely is a fun thing to do, especially when you've got them loads. Look at that marking. Lovely. Especially when you've got loads of them 12 by 12s or any size paper that you're not particularly keen on, because not every page in a paper pad is like to your liking. Another one of those tags, and it just feels really nice. So I'm having a late dinner tonight. That's another Tracy Fox tag, because at 5 o'clock I decided, what am I having for dinner tonight? I decided I wanted a roast chicken, so it's still cooking. And I've been in and out doing little bits whilst I've been trying to finish this off, and I'm just so looking forward to this dinner because I haven't had a roast for about a week, over a week I should say. It was my birthday yesterday, and I had a Chinese chicken curry, which was lovely. I really wanted a roast dinner, so I'm having it. That's the old design shop. That's another envelope from the kit, and that's another piece of doubled over coffee dyed paper. Got quite a little bit, quite a big bit, or quite a lot, I can't talk, of coffee dyeing done today. The old design shop, paper bag, stuff things in, doily. I need to try and get some more done every day. Just spend like a couple of hours doing it, because I normally like paint over like 4 or 5 pages at a time with my coffee water, and then throw it over the radiator, and it takes about half an hour, 45 minutes to dry, but you get some nice markings with them like that. That is another of that 12 by 12, and the image is from the kit. The tag is from the kit, and so is this. I'll just pop that in there, ticket from the kit, and that is the back page. So there we go, another journal. I think I might bounce onto some spring ones tomorrow. I like the colours of springs, the greens, the yellows, the blues, the purples. So there we go. Vintage Days from ARTYmaze. The journal will be listed in my shop. If you have any questions, just ask, and thank you for watching. Bye.